Hello students, in the previous lecture I have given the introduction of matrix and types of matrices. Then I have also explained how the basic operations of addition, subtraction is performed over the matrix. So that I have done. Now today I am going to discuss a very important topic of the matrix. It is the matrix multiplication. About the multiplication of a matrix by a scalar that we have already studied. When a matrix is multiplied by some scalar, by some number, what will happen? Each element is multiplied by the same number. Suppose this is some matrix minus 1, 0, 7. When you will simplify, what will happen? Each element will be multiplied by 3. 3 2 just 6. Minus 3, 0, 21. This will be the answer. But now we will do the matrix multiplication. Multiplication of one matrix by another matrix. Multiplication of one matrix by another matrix. But every two matrices cannot be multiplied. This is the one thing. First thing is that as we multiply any two numbers, so that is not possible in case of the matrix. In case of matrix, we cannot multiply any two matrices. There is some condition for the matrix multiplication. There is some condition for the matrix multiplication. While in case of the multiplication of numbers, there is no such condition. It's clear. Now what is that condition? So you see here, suppose if A and B are, if A and B are two non-zero matrices, means their elements are other than zero. Their elements all zero matrix means whose all the elements are zero. Whose all the elements are zero. This is not a non-zero matrix. It's clear? This is a non-zero matrix. If all the elements will be zero, then only it will be the zero matrix or null matrix. It's clear? So if A and B are two non-zero matrices, then product AB will be conformable. Conformable means it will be possible. Will be conformable only when, here we are talking about the product AB. Here the first matrix is A, second matrix is B. So only when the number of columns of A equals to the number of rows in B. Columns of A are equal to the rows in B. If this condition is fulfilled, then only the product will be possible. Here I am writing some matrices. This is 3, 2, minus 1, 0. There is one matrix. This is 5, 4, 3. Okay. There is one more matrix here. This is 0, 1, 3, 5, 2, minus 1. Okay. Then here this is one matrix. This is 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, 3. It's clear. What is its order? 2 cross 2. Its order, there is one row and 3 columns. Always row will come earlier. So 1 cross 3. Here there are how many rows? 2 rows and 3 columns. 2 cross 3. Here there are how many rows? 3 rows and 2 columns. 3 cross 2. Now see here. Suppose if we take this matrix as A and this matrix as B, whether the product is possible or not. You check here. A cross B. A into B. If this product AB will be possible or not. You have to find this. So you can see here, here there are how many columns? Columns are 2. Here how many rows? 1 are not equal. Therefore product is not possible. It's clear? And in order to check it very simply, very easily we can check. It's clear? And what is that? You write down their order. First matrix is 2 cross 2. So you write here 2 cross 2. It's clear? Second matrix is 1 cross 3, 1 cross 3. See here. If these two numbers will be same, then only product will be possible. Product will be possible only when these two numbers will be same. It's clear? If they are different, product will not be possible. It's clear? So no need to decide which one is what is the number of columns or what are the number of rows. You write down both the orders. 2 cross 2, this is the 1 cross 3. It's clear? And then see whether these two numbers are same or not. You don't write very close. You write at some distance. If these are same, then the product will be possible. Otherwise, it will not be possible. So here it is not possible. Now see here, if I take this as matrix A and this as matrix B, here I have taken this as matrix B. You see whether the product AB is possible. A, B. What is the order of A? 2 cross 2 first. You write the order of first matrix. Order of this 2 cross 3. Yes, it will be possible because both the numbers are same. Both the numbers are same. What will be the result matrix? The result matrix will have what order? Result matrix will have this order 2 cross 3. Means the result matrix which we will get, that will be of order 2 cross 3. That will be of order 2 cross 3. Means if the product will be possible, then order of result matrix, it will be equal to what? It will be equal to rows in A cross columns in B. But we will not go in this theory. That method is very simple. It's clear? First you write down the order of both the matrices. It's clear? And then you see whether these two numbers are same or not. If it is same, then the order product will be possible. And then what will be the order of result matrix? It will be 2 cross 3. Means there will be 2 rows and 3 columns. Now you check whether product BA is possible or not. Here, in the same case, product BA. You can see here, product B, here, this is order is what? 2 cross 3. First matrix is now B. पहला matrix क्या है? B है. तो we will write the order of B first. And then second matrix is A. So we will write 2 cross 2. Whether these numbers are same? No, not same. Therefore, product BA is not possible. So this is one more thing. It is not necessary that if the product of two matrices A and B, if the A and B are two matrices and product AB is possible, then it does not mean that the product BA will also be possible. It's clear? It does not mean that the product BA will also be possible. It is not necessary. It may be possible, it may not be possible. It's clear? So this thing you will see. Now one more thing. Here you can see. Here we have taken this. Yes. Meaning this you can see. Here we have taken this matrix as matrix A and this matrix as matrix B. First you check whether product AB is possible or not. So what is the order of A? 3 cross 2. What is the order of B? 2 cross 3. Yes, these two numbers are same, therefore the product is possible. What will be the order of result matrix? It will be 3 cross 3. It will be 3 cross 3. Now you check in BA. BA. What is the order of B? 2 cross 3. What is the order of A? 3 cross 2. This is also same, therefore this will also be positive. What is the order of result matrix? 2 cross 2. So you can see here product AB as well as product BA both are positive, but product AB is having the order 3 cross 3. Here result matrix will be of 3 cross 3. Here result matrix is of 2 cross 2. Means both the matrices will be of different order. Means from here you can say that product AB will not be equal to product BA. Product AB will not be equal to product BA. It's clear? Because AB is having order 3 cross 3, BA is having order 2 cross 2. Therefore, they are not equal. Means it is different from the product of numbers. Whether you say 2 into 4 or 4 into 2, both are giving same result. 2 4 cha 8, 4 2 cha 8. But here, if you see in case of matrices, matrix A into matrix B and matrix B into matrix A need not to be same. Need not to be same. Even if the product is possible, even if the product AB and BA both are possible, then it is not necessary that both the products will be equal. Therefore, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Here, it is not commutative. It is clear? So, this we will remember. Now, how will you find the result matrix? That we will see. How will you find the result matrix? So, I am taking the same example here and finding product AB. So, that is very simple. You can see here product AB. First you write down both the matrices. First matrix is 0 1 3 5 2 minus 1. Then 2 0 0 1 minus 1. It's clear? Now there is one simple rule of determining the result matrix that we will remember. That what is the rule? The rule is very simple. RCR. RCR means what is its meaning? How will you write? How will you? What is its meaning? पहली मैट्रिक्स की रो दूसरी मैट्रिक्स के कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई होके वी विल राइट इन रो वाइज. इसके फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स रो विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड विद द सेकंड मैट्रिक्स कॉलम एंड देन इट विल बी रिटन रो वाइज. इसके रो वाइज इट विल बी रिटन, नॉट द कॉलम वाइज. आरसीआर फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स से रो लेंगे, सेकंड मैट्रिक्स से कॉलम लेंगे, उनके करेस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. करेस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स मतलब पहला पहला, दूसरा दूसरा, तीसरा तीसरा. देन वी विल ऐड एंड देन राइट डाउन देन रो वाइज. इट्स क्लियर? यू सी हियर व्हाट इज द रूल. फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स की रो लेंगे, सेकंड मैट्रिक्स की कॉलम से मल्टीप्लाई करके रो वाइज लिख देंगे. इट्स क्लियर? मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे इन रो वाइज. So here first row is this. So what will happen? This row will first multiply with this column, then with this column, and then with this column, and written in what form? In the row form. What will be the order of result matrix? You can see here. This is of order what? 3 cross 2, and this is 2 cross 3. Therefore, the order of result matrix will be 3 cross 3. 3 rows and 3 columns. You can see here. This is multiplying with this. So पहला पहले के साथ 0 into 2, दूसरा दूसरे के साथ plus 1 into 1. Which case, when this will multiply with this, it will be written row wise. 0 into 0 plus 1 into minus 1. Then this into that 0 into 0 plus 1 into 3 and you write at some distance. It's clear? This is the first row. Now when you will take the second row, so you will get the elements of second row. You will get the elements of second row. Once again you have to multiply with first column, with second column, with third column. Second row is 3, 5. So 3 will multiply with 2, 5 will multiply with 1. 3 into 2 plus 5 into 1. We will get the elements of second row because we have taken here second row. Then 3 into 0 plus 5 into minus 1. Then when 3, 5 will multiply with this, so 3 will multiply with 0, 5 will multiply with 3. So 3 into 0 plus 5 into 2. Then this will multiply with, we will take third row. So 2 into 2, this will multiply with this 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1. Then 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into minus 1. Then 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into 3. Now you simplify this. When you simplify 0 into 2, 0 plus 1, 6 plus 5, 4 plus minus 1. Then 0 plus minus 1, 0 minus 5, 0 minus minus plus. This is simple multiplication, but you have to perform that multiplication very carefully. Otherwise there will be error. 0 plus 15 and here is 0 minus 3. When you will further simplify, 0 plus 1 is 1, 11, 3. This is minus 1. You can see here minus 1, minus 5 and 1. And then here 3, 15 minus. This will be the answer. It's clear? So you will multiply row with each column. It's clear? And then write down row wise. And when you will multiply row, then you will multiply corresponding elements and then add. Now you take one question. It's clear? So here these questions are very simple, but you will do very carefully. It's clear? Now you see here. Here there is one question. Here this is a matrix A. It's where it is given 1183. 1183. And you have to find A square minus 4A. This we have to determine. Now see here what is A square means. A square does not mean that you have to square. It's clear? A square means A into A. A square means A into A. A into A means the same matrix will return twice. 8, 3. Here 1, 1, 8, 3. This product will be possible. Why it will be possible? Because this is of order 2 cross 2. This is also of order 2 cross 2. It's clear? Other matrix is also of order 2 cross 2. Both the numbers are same. Result matrix will be of order 2 cross 2. Now how will you do? You will multiply first row with each column and then you will write row wise. In the first row you will write. So this will multiply with this. So 1 into 1 plus 1 into 8. Then this will multiply with that. 1 into 1 plus 1 into 3. It's clear? Then this will multiply with this. So 8 into 1 plus 3 into 8. And that will multiply 8 into 1 plus 3 into 3. When you will simplify, it will be 1 plus 8, 8 plus 24, 1 plus 3, 8 plus 9. So this will be equals to 1 plus 8, 9. This is 32. This is 4. And this is 7. इसलिए now you have to find a square minus 4a. Minus 4a. A square is how much? 9, 4. 32, 70. Minus 4. What is A matrix? It is 1, 1, 8, 3. Now what will you do? Here, you see here 9, 4, 32, 70. You keep minus sign here only and multiply with 4. Multiply with 4. So when we will multiply 4, 32, 4, 12. Then you do the subtraction. 9 minus 4, 32 minus 32, 4 minus 4, 17 minus 12. When you will perform, this will come out 5005. This clear? This will be the value. So now you take one more question. So questions are very simple here that I am doing here. This question has been asked in 2010, which I am going to do now. Here it is 4 sin 30 to cos 60. You have to evaluate this. 4 sin 30, then sin 90, then 2 cos 60, then 2 cos 0. This other matrix is 4, 5, 5, 4, 5, 5, 4. It is also in the same way. So you can see here, first you will find out the value here. Simplify this matrix. 4 sin 30, 1 upon 2. Sin 90, 1. 2 cos 60, 1 upon 2. 2 cos 0 is 1. This is 4, 5, 5, 4. Then what will you do? Here it will be 2, 1, 1, 2. The other matrix is 4, 5, 5, 4. Now what will happen? Here this row will multiply with this one. This row will multiply first with this column, then with that column, and then written row wise. 2 into 4 plus 1 into 5. Then it will be multiplied with this 2 into 5 plus 1 into 4. Then this will be multiplied with this 1 into 4 plus 2 into 5. Here 1 into 5 plus 2 into 4. So on simplification, what will you get? When you will simplify, you will get here 8 plus 5, 4 plus 10, 10 plus 4, and then here it is 5 plus 8. So on further simplification, it will give 13, 14, 14 and 30. This will be the answer. So now you do some question in your book. Here you can, I am referring this book, M.L. Agrawal, Understanding Mathematics. So you do in this, you can do up to question number 12, up to question number 14, you can do very easily. So also you do some questions, then not some questions, all the questions you do. Then few more questions I will take in the next video. HK. Thank you.